Welcome to Tech Whisper's comprehensive guide to troubleshooting your home Wi-Fi network. In this video, we'll provide step-by-step instructions to help you resolve common Wi-Fi issues on your own. First, let's start with weak signals. If you're experiencing slow internet speeds or buffering, it could be due to a weak Wi-Fi signal. To fix this issue, try moving your router to a central location in your home. Make sure it's not blocked by any walls or large objects. You can also try adjusting the antennas on your router to improve the signal strength. If you're still experiencing weak signals, you may need to upgrade your router or consider purchasing a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength. Next, let's talk about connection drops. If your internet connection keeps dropping, it could be due to interference from other devices or networks. To fix this issue, try moving your router away from other electronic devices, such as microwaves or cordless phones. You can also change the channel on your router to avoid interference from other nearby networks. If you're still experiencing connection drops, you may need to update your router's firmware or contact your internet service provider for further assistance. That's it for our guide to troubleshooting your home Wi-Fi network. If you require further assistance, please reach out to Eduard at Tech Whisper. Remember, remote assistance will be charged per hour.